So guys, today I am showing you my Bose TV speakers sound, how it sound. So if you want to see the unboxing video, you can find it the same on my channel. So just today I am showing you my Bose TV speaker sound. Let's go. So I'm increasing the sound. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until you I'm changing track now. So this is the next track. Again I will change the track. So this is the different track. Headphones recommended to know the exact noise sound of the soundbar. Again I will change the track. So this is the next track.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got this a quick change, so we like a in phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. Cause you're on the ground. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring.
That's it guys, thank you.